What's the meaning of crumple? Crumple. Crumple.
Crumple. Crumple. Crumple means to crush or press something so that it becomes wrinkled, bent, or twisted. When something is crumpled, it loses its original shape and appears distorted or deformed. This can occur with paper, fabric, or other materials and can be intentional or accidental. Crumpling can occur due to pressure or force being applied, such as when stepping on a piece of paper or tightly squeezing a fabric item. The result of crumpling depends on the material and the degree of force applied, but generally involves a loss of smoothness and an increase in creases or folds.